Creating and using custom Mailchimp campaign templates can seriously streamline your email marketing process and make your campaigns look even more professional. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone looking to make your emails stand out, this video will show you exactly how to get the most out of Mailchimp's powerful tools, so stay with me. First off, Mailchimp lets you create templates that match your brand's identity. With a custom template, you can have consistent formatting, colors, and fonts across all your campaigns without having to redesign from scratch each time. This is a real time saver, especially for ongoing marketing campaigns. Now, let's dive into how you can set up your own custom template. Next thing, we need to talk about the basics of creating a template in Mailchimp. To get started, go to your Mailchimp dashboard and click on Campaigns, then Email Templates. From here, you can either choose to start with a blank template or use one of Mailchimp's pre-made designs and tweak it to fit your needs. Both options are great, but starting from scratch can give you the freedom to create exactly what you need. The fourth thing is to focus on content blocks. Mailchimp uses a block-based design for templates, so it's all about dragging and dropping different elements like text, images, and buttons. This flexibility means you can tailor every part of your email without needing to know any code. I highly recommend using a grid layout to keep everything neat and professional. You don't want your email looking cluttered. Now, let's talk about branding. Once your template is designed, it's time to make sure it represents your business. You can upload your logo, set your brand's color palette, and add fonts that reflect your style. It's all about making your email campaigns feel like they're an extension of your brand. If you're using Mailchimp's custom templates, be sure to create a version that works across all devices. Responsiveness is key. Your emails need to look just as good on mobile as they do on desktop. Another thing to consider is saving and reusing your templates. Once you've got the perfect design, Mailchimp lets you save it as a reusable template. This is especially helpful if you're sending out emails regularly, as it ensures consistency in your messaging and design without the extra work. Let's wrap this up with the final tip: testing and tweaking. After creating your custom Mailchimp template, always send yourself a test email to make sure everything looks good. Check for broken links, formatting issues, or images that might not be displaying correctly. Mailchimp allows you to preview how the email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices, so take advantage of that to ensure your emails reach your audience in the best way possible. Remember, by using custom Mailchimp templates, you're not only saving time, but also improving the professionalism of your emails. And here's something important. If you're interested in using Mailchimp, you can start completely free. Plus, there's an exclusive extended trial available through the first link in the description below. That's it. With these tips, you're ready to create and use custom Mailchimp templates that will make your email campaign stand out and save you a ton of time. Be sure to check out the link below to get your free trial, and